Hello, children. Now that we have done this activity, the pronunciation activity in English Lab, this is a compilation of all the words that were discussed in the class, and I'm going to speak them for you once again so that whenever you want to practice, you can just open the video, pause, and speak after me. All right. The more you speak it, children, you'll get used to speaking the word the way it is. So let's begin. The first word, which was also in the demo video, was what. Now, what is not what. War. So the sound is o. Again, we have the rhyming words hot, not, pot, what. Okay. Now, the next word was water, right? Do you remember what we have to do in this word? We don't have to stress the letter R. And there are many, many words where you do not stress the letter R, especially when it towards the end. Now here in water, again the sound is O, not A. It is not va, but wo, water. Okay. Now the third word which we did was woman, woman, woman. Woman is singular, whereas the plural of woman is women. How do we pronounce it? We say women. Okay. The next word is heart. Now, the heart is part of our body, right? But many people they speak this word as hurt. Now, understand the difference, children. Hurt is something which gives you pain. A synonym of hurt is pain. So, it can be physical pain, it can be a pain inside. So you feel hurt if somebody scolds you. Okay, you fall down and you are hurt. All right. So the pronunciation is very different. If you speak HEART as hurt, look how the sentence will change totally. You have to say, my heart is beating faster. But what if you pronounce this word wrong? You'll say, my heart is beating faster. Now, hurt is that pain. Your pain is beating? No. Pain is not beating, but heart is, right? So your heart can be hurt. दुख हो सकता है दिल में, but चोट धक धक नहीं कर सकती. Your heart cannot beat. Your heart beats. Okay. The next word was cloth. Now, cloth, children, is a piece of fabric. कोई भी कपड़ा का टुकड़ा is cloth. But the garments we wear, all the clothes we wear, dresses we call them, these come under the category of clothes. The difference between a cloth and clothes is clear in the meaning as well. So when you say, I saw a piece of cloth lying on the table. We have these cloths which we, use for dusting and all. So you say cloth to that one, and the dresses we wear are called clothes. The difference is in the pronunciation of the letters LO. So cloth, LO is pronounced as law, cloth. But in clothes, LO is pronounced as LOW. So that becomes low. So clothes. Okay. The next word is, let me see. Yes, you use it in your school assembly. Somebody speaks a thought. Then there's a child who gives news, and there are children who ask which questions? GK questions. G stands for, how do you pronounce it? Lot of children say general or journal. Beta, journal is a very different word. Okay? Journal means a notebook or a diary or something where you keep your notes, or the journal may include certain incidents, certain parts of your life which you want to just remember. Maybe it's like a scrapbook also. The journal, you write things and you paste something there. That is a journal. Spelling. Okay. Now we come back to this general. How you speak this word, children? It is, see, GEN. So GEN, it will rhyme with PEN, TEN. So you call them pen, ten, similarly gen. And then RAL is pronounced as RAL, general. Okay. So next time when you are on stage, say, I'm here to ask general knowledge questions. And the next word is, we always keep saying save it, protect it, and how trees are important for right? Now, how do you call it? It is not environment. Yes, some children also say environment. See, it is not in. I-N nahi hai na. E-N. It is environment. R is pronounced but very slightly. Environment. Environment. Okay? So, environment. You call it environment. How easy is that? So, the whole VIRON, we are just putting Y. Environment. Now, the next pair of words we have is lion and lion. Children, lion is the animal, and lion is okay. And now listen to this, children. If I have to say that I saw the animal, the lion in the jungle, and if I say I saw a lion in the jungle, the sense totally changes. So that is why you have to be particular about pronunciation, because many a times the pronunciation changes the meaning totally. And we come to the last pair of words, which is pronounce, the way you speak, and pronunciation, the activity we are doing. So this activity is noun. So the first part is pro, that goes as pro. And noun, as in noun, we have a part of speech, noun. So the verb goes pronounce and the noun goes none. See, you see the difference? Pronunciation. All right, that's it. This is what we have done in the class, and I hope it is going to help you now as well as in future. Whenever you wish to refer to the correct pronunciations, you can come back to this video, or you actually find them on the net as well. You can Google and look for the pronunciation. So that's it. Make sure you pronounce the words right and stay bright. Tata. See you again with some other video. Take care.